Hello there, fellow crafters. I'm Beth with Crafty Corner. We are an online Cricut authorized retailer. We also love creating inspiration and educational videos. Be sure to subscribe to be the first to see all of our new content. Today I'm going to show you how to use the new Cricut Printable Iron-On. I will be using the new Cricut Joy Xtra today, but you could use any of the machine with the print and cut feature. So basically all of them but the Joy. This is the printable iron-on that I will be using today. It is designed for dark fabrics, which means it has a white background to it. The light fabric one is more transparent. We will also need a cutting mat, my Cricut, and my Easy Press. Oh, and don't forget a shirt. Over in Design Space Images, I selected this colorful butterfly to use today. It is already a print and cut image for us. I have it sized to fit my shirt perfectly. I am going to hit Make It, and it's going to show us a preview screen. When working with printable iron-on, we will not mirror it like we do regular iron-on. We also want to make sure the material size is 8.5 by 11, and then hit Continue. It will search for my machine via Bluetooth. I'm going to take a sheet of the printable iron-on out of the package and place it into my printer. Be sure to know which way your printer prints. Next, I am going to select Send to Printer. This will show the printer setup screen. I will leave the Add Bleed on and click Print, and it'll print. I then need to select the material by browsing All Materials and searching for Printable. I select the one for dark fabrics. I'll take the cover sheet off my cutting mat and place the printed sheet onto my mat. And then I can load it into my machine. Be sure the mat is under the guides on the left and right. In Design Space, I will click on Go, and it will begin scanning. You will see the light come on under the blade carriage. This is where it reads the registration marks, which are the black lines in each corner. After it has successfully read the registration marks, it will begin cutting. I can then unload my mat and remove the cut butterfly from the backing sheet. And place it on my shirt where I want it. I am going to cover the butterfly with a piece of parchment paper, which is included in the printable iron-on package. I have my Easy Press heated to 330 degrees Fahrenheit and for 30 seconds, which is what Cricut recommends for this project. Remove the parchment paper and it's all done. I think it turned out so great. It feels great, even has a little stretch to it, and the colors turned out so beautiful and vibrant. My daughter's going to love her new shirt to match her butterfly pants. Thank you so much for crafting with me today. Check out this video for unboxing the Joy Xtra. Head on over to Craft-e-Corner.com to get your printable iron-on. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to check out all of our great inspiration and education. Bye for now.